Elegant, fresh, and effortlessly stylish, Tiffany is a shade that never goes unnoticed. Inspired by the iconic blue that's become a symbol of timeless elegance, it brings a fresh, sophisticated touch to every handmade project. Tiffany pairs beautifully with many other shades from the Bobilon color palette, making it easy to create both soft pastel combinations and bold, modern color contrasts. Bobilon T-Shirt yarn is made from 100% new cotton jersey, making every stitch look neat and even from beginning to end. It's comfortable to work with, holds its shape beautifully, and helps you create projects with a clean, professional finish. Choose from 55 permanent colors, all available in multiple yarn thicknesses, so you can keep the exact shade you love while selecting the perfect size for your project. Whether you're creating a stylish handbag, elegant home decor, or a beautiful handmade gift, Tiffany adds a fresh, refined look that's impossible to overlook. Choose your favorite color, pick the perfect thickness, and create something beautiful with Bobilon.